At AluSplash, we believe the kitchen is the heart of every home. Today, the kitchen has become much more than a place where we cook. It has become part of the family living space. And that is why we want to make your kitchen a beautiful, welcoming place where you can create long-lasting memories with your loved ones. Introducing AluSplash, an aluminium-based substrate which is a sleek and modern alternative to glass, acrylic and tile splashbacks. We have carefully curated various collections in high gloss and matte finishes which are on trend and in style. The unique textures and array of vibrant, earthy and metallic colors will make your kitchen stand out from the rest. Our panels are fire resistant, making them safe to use behind all popular cooktops. They have a grout-free surface which is antibacterial, making it a more hygienic option compared to tiles. Unlike glass, the panels are highly durable. They will not shatter or crack and are steam and water resistant. AluSplash panels are 3 times faster to install than tile splashbacks, saving you time and money. They are quick and easy to fabricate, bend around corners, and make cutouts for electrical wall sockets. Our panels are thoroughly versatile and eco-friendly with a scratch and UV-resistant coating. AluSplash adds style and glamour to your kitchen, whilst providing a clean and modern finish to your home. We believe that kitchens should be designed around what is truly important. Together, let's add a splash of color to your home.